Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance Now on your iPad. First, download the free Just Dance Now application from your iPad's App Store. Once installed, open the app and make sure your iPad has a strong internet connection. You will see a unique room number appear on your iPad screen, which is crucial for the next step. This number will allow your smartphone to connect and control the game. Now, let's connect your controller. Grab your smartphone and open any web browser. Go to the website justinceno.com. On this page, you will find a space to enter the room number that is currently showing on your iPad. Type in the 5-digit or 6-digit code, and your smartphone will instantly synchronize, transforming into your personal dance controller. With your devices connected, it's time to pick a song. Your iPad now acts as the main screen, displaying the vast library of Just Dance Now tracks. Use your smartphone to effortlessly scroll through the options and select your favorite tune. There are hundreds of songs to choose from, with new ones added regularly, ensuring endless fun for everyone. You're all set to dance. Hold your smartphone firmly in your right hand as it tracks your movements. Watch the coach on your iPad screen and mimic their choreography. The game will score your performance based on how accurately you match the moves. Challenge yourself to achieve a perfect score and enjoy the energetic experience with up to 10 players simultaneously.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.